Hello friends, welcome back to B Pharma Wise. Today we are going to discuss states of matter. Tell me, what creates this universe? The things you see around are actually made up of what? The objects that have mass are called. The answer is, it is matter. Matter is the stuff that makes up the universe. Everything that takes up space and has mass is matter. Do you know the states of matter? There are 4 natural states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, and plasma. Solids are all around us. See the ice, chair, mountains, and bones. These are all solids. In a solid, particles are packed tightly together so that they don't move much. Solids have a definite shape as well as mass and volume, and they do not conform to the shape of the container in which they are placed. Solids also have high density, meaning that the particles are tightly packed together. These are the liquids: water in the ocean, cooking oil, honey, or lava. In liquids, the particles are more loosely packed than in a solid, and they are able to flow around each other, giving the liquid an indefinite shape. Therefore, the liquid will conform to the shape of its container. Much like solids, liquids are incredibly difficult to compress. These are the examples of gases like air in the atmosphere, bubbles in soda, fumes coming out from volcanoes, or the helium gas filled in balloons. In a gas, particles have a great deal of space between them and they have very high kinetic energy. A gas has no definite shape or volume. If unconfined, the particles of a gas will spread out indefinitely, but if confined, the gas will expand to fill its container. When a gas is put under pressure, by reducing the volume of the container, the space between particles is reduced and the gas is compressed. Just a pause to remind you to subscribe. If you are finding this content useful, please consider subscribing. You will always get desired value at B Pharma Wise. Also leave a comment. Your feedback matters. The 4th natural state is plasma. Plasma is not a common state of matter here on Earth, but it may be the most common state of matter in the universe. Stars are essentially superheated balls of plasma. Plasma consists of highly charged particles with extremely high kinetic energy. The noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, etc. are often used to make glowing signs by using electricity to ionize them to the plasma state. Do you know there is a 5th state of matter? Yes, the 5th state is the man-made Bose-Einstein condensates. The Bose-Einstein condensates were created by scientists Eric Cornell and Carl Wieman in 1995. They used a combination of lasers and magnets and cooled a sample of rubidium to within a few degrees of absolute zero. Wondering what is absolute zero temperature? It is nothing but 0 Kelvin, that is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. At this extremely low temperature, molecular motion comes very close to stopping. Since there is almost no kinetic energy being transferred from one atom to another, the atoms begin to clump together. There are no longer thousands of separate atoms, just one superatom. A BEC is used to study quantum mechanics on a macroscopic level. BECs are also used to simulate the conditions that might exist in black holes. See the glass holding H2O in 3 states of matter: ice, solid, water, liquid, and vapor, gas. Hope you understood all the states of matter and hope you liked it. Please like the video and comment below your suggestions and feedback. Subscribe the channel to watch more interesting videos. Keep watching B Pharma Wise. Thank you.